Hi, everybody. Welcome to our Tech Tip Tuesday. My name is Cynthia Mumford, and I'm an instructional coach with Bailey Education Group. Today, I want to show you all a website. It's called Whiteboard.fi, and it gives you a virtual interactive whiteboard that you can utilize to engage with your students. So first, starting off, we're just going to press New Class, and I'm going to give it a name. And there are additional features that you can look through and thumb through and decide what's appropriate for your class. So I'm going to go ahead and press create new class, and it's going to give us a website. So you're able to copy and paste this on your LMS platform. You can put it on in your classroom, your Google Classroom, your Canvas site, whatever you're utilizing, or you can just give the students the website and they can go ahead and add the room code right here. So whichever one is great for you all, just feel free to utilize that. So I'm going to go ahead and press toggle my whiteboard. So when I press toggle my whiteboard, this is my whiteboard space that I can write on, I can draw on, I can input pictures on. Like if I have a problem, I can upload the picture using this little picture tab. So I'm just going to go ahead and input a problem. I'm going to say 7 plus 3. And so once I do this, I can push this board to my students. So if I go to the option that says push the students, you can see where it says push the students their current page, and push to their background page. Now, the good thing about the background page, if you push it to their background page, if they needed to erase or clear their board, it wouldn't erase the problem. It'll just erase their work only. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the option to push to the background. Now, what I'm going to do is scroll down and show you my student board. So right here, you can see where it says student whiteboards right here. And so all of your students, you'll be able to see their name. I got Christian to help me out for today. So if I had the problem 7 plus 3, now he's able to go on his whiteboard and actually answer the problem. And once he answered the problem, as you can see that I'm able to see the work. So you're able to see all of your students, each individual board, and you're able to see all of your students' work. Now, the thing is, the students are going to get an idea of how difficult it is to write with these touchpads sometimes, and see that it's not perfect. But as you can see, he was able to answer the problem, and so I'm able to do this on all of my student whiteboards. So it gives me a clear view of what they're doing and looking at their steps so they can show their work to the problems that I'm providing to you all. Join us again on our Tech Tip Tuesday. I hope you enjoy this. See you later. Bye.